People for Texas don gather to honor people wey die for the flash flood wey hit central Texas. 10 guests plus one counselor still dey miss. President Donald Trump don still send letter to 14 countries like Japan and South Korea to tell them about the new tax wey dey come. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Texans gather for park for downtown San Antonio to honor people wey die for the flash flood wey hit central Texas on Friday. At least 100 people don die and many still dey miss. Camp Mystic, one Christian all-girls summer camp, confirm say at least 27 girls and staff dey among the dead. 10 girls plus one counselor still dey miss. Heavy rain rush enter the camp early Friday morning when dem still dey sleep, with water wey crash through stone cabins without plenty warning. Guadalape River burst bank after months of rain fall for just few hours. Officials call am 100-year catastrophe. Water scatter the green-roofed cabins, carry debris and even kill children as young as 8 years old. Videos wey dem capture show how water rise sharply for just 27 minutes, show the power wey the flood get. President Trump don delay to increase tariff on US imports, but e don still send letter to 14 countries like Japan and South Korea tell them about new tax wey dey come. The 90-day pause for heavy import tax suppose end this week, but Trump ex ten d am. E still threa ten 25% tax on goods from Japan and South Korea, with other countries to face levy from 1st August. Higher tariff suppose start 9th July, but White House bin dey try settle trade deals. When dem ask Trump if August date dey fixed, e talk say firm but not 100% firm, say dem fit change am if country wan negotiate. Economist Adam Ahmad Samdin talk say ex ten sion no be surprise because trade deals dey take time. Vietnam don do broad agreement with US, but no be full trade deal. On Monday, Trump share the letters wey e send to world leaders for social media. One say rates fit go up or down based on relationship. Most rates na same like April announcement. Analysts talk say Trump dey use am as negotiation tactics, give investors small hope. Trump talk say tariff go protect American business and jobs, but economists warn say e go raise prices and reduce trade. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa don vex for US President Donald Trump over new 30% tariff wey go start 1st August on South African imports. Trump talk say South Africa trade no dey fair to America, so e need balance am. Na only African country wey dem target for dis new tariff announcement. For letter wey Trump send, e talk say South Africa dey use tariff and trade barriers wey dey harm US. E warn say if South Africa raise their own tariffs back, e go add am on top the 30%. Ramaphosa answer say the tariff no dey correct, say dem still dey negotiate for better agreement. E say more than half of wetin South Africa dey buy from US no dey even get tax, and the average tariff na 7.6%. Ramaphosa talk say dis new tariff go spoil the strong trade wey both countries get, especially as US na South Africa second biggest trading partner. E affect sectors like car and farming wey dey enjoy duty-free access before. Ramaphosa promise say South Africa go continue to dey use diplomacy to find better balanced trade deal with America. Former Israeli diplomat Alon Pinkas don talk say all dis talk about relocating Palestinians from Gaza to other countries no mean say dem get any real plan. E tell reporters say even if Israeli Defense Minister, Prime Minister or even US President talk am, e no sure say plan dey. Pinkas remind say for early February, Trump first talk about Palestinian Riviera, but within 36 hours, e change am to say dem go expel Palestinians. E talk say even if dem ask Boston Consulting Group to draft relocation plan, e no mean say e go work or dey practical. Pinkas warn say na real wahala e go cause because e go make any future agreement for Gaza no fit last. After bomb wey explode for Beit Hanun kill at least 5 Israeli soldiers, Israeli National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir don tell Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu make e stop the peace talks with Hamas for Doha. Ben-Gvir talk say no point dey to negotiate with pipo wey dey kill Israeli fighters. Instead, e suggest say make Israel crush Hamas to the bone, deny dem food and stop humanitarian aid. E still add say make Israel do full blockade of Gaza, move out Palestinians and put Israeli pipo for the land. According to am, na dis kind action go bring complete victory, no be deal wey go free Hamas prisoners or withdraw army from land wey soldiers fight take capture. Health Ministry for Gaza don talk say trucks wey dey carry important medicine and medical supplies go enter. E say the most foolish decision wey Netanyahu fit make na to keep Israeli soldiers inside Gaza. Mount Leotobi Laki for Indonesia don erupt again, blow big ash cloud reach 18 kilometers high for sky, make plenty people run comot from houses. Since Monday, the volcano for Flores Island dey spray ash and lava with thunderous noise. Authorities don put the area for highest alert level since e first erupt 3 weeks ago. Dem cancel at least 24 flights go and come Bali on Monday. Some flights later start on Tuesday. The hot ash column wey rise on Monday morning na the highest since November. Authorities don extend the exclusion zone reach 7 kilometers radius and warn say heavy rain fit cause lava flood wey be mud and debris flow. Over 4,000 people don evacuate so far. Those wey still dey the area dey face shortage of water, food and mask. Local leaders dey beg for emergency help as ash don cover everywhere. Indonesia dey for Pacific Ring of Fire wey dey cause plenty volcano and earthquake wahala. Leotobi Laki don erupt many times this year, but no casualties for this latest one, though November eruption kill at least 10 people. New malaria medicine wey fit treat newborn babies don finally get approval for use. The drug wey Novartis develop go soon reach African countries where malaria dey worry people pass. Before now, no malaria drug dey, especially for babies wey weigh less than 4.5 kg, about 10 pounds. Doctors dey use medicine wey be for older pikin, but that one dey risky because small babies no dey process medicine like big children. E fit lead to overdose or wahala for liver. The new drug, Coartem baby or Reamet baby, na the first wey dem clinically prove say e safe for newborn babies and very small children. Swiss authorities don give green light and 8 African countries wey follow test the drug go likely be among the first to get am. For 2023, malaria kill about 597,000 people, most of them for Africa, and around 75% of them na pikin wey never reach 5 years. Novartis say dem go sell the drug mostly without profit to help fight malaria better. Help don finally show for African babies wey dey battle malaria. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.